Good morning, YouTube. It is a wonderful, dreary day here in central Pennsylvania. Of course, we're getting our April showers in March. It's cold, about 30 degrees, 38 degrees. And I'm ready for a little bit of warm temperature. I got excited. I live by a lake, and I was out the other day, and the turtles were coming out, and the ducks were hanging out, and now we have overcast and shadow and gross. But again, that's Pennsylvania for you. Currently on my way to Lehman Volvo. I'm taking my S40 in for my 187,500 mile maintenance service, and I'm going to be picking up a loaner. But while I'm there, I'm going to be test driving the new XC40. Don't know what kind of camera setup I'll be able to put together while I'm in the car at the dealership, but I'll definitely get some shots inside the car and outside the car. It's probably not while I'm driving. With it still being a demo car, I don't want to leave suction cup prints everywhere and stuff like that. But we'll see what it looks like, so here goes. Just came back from the test drive. This thing is a little runabout. Has plenty of power, has plenty of room, plenty of storage spots and creature comforts, and a lot of stuff that Volvo thought about to make driving easy and management very simple. A lot of neat little pockets for stuff, a lot of clever hiding areas. There's a little trash can right here, and you just dump your stuff in like a normal house trash can, open that up, and when you're done, you just pull the whole thing out, take it inside, dump it in the garbage, and then you put it back in and you're situated. Right here you've got these two little slots. They look like an air vent or a temperature sensor. They're slots to put a credit card or a toll card or a gas card or something. Just little stuff all over the vehicle. You've got the pad for the wireless charging. You've got full-size glove box, plenty of storage spots in there. You have the valet key that tucks away nicely. These absolute gorgeous vents. They really knocked it out of the park on this one. Love the orange, would hate to keep it clean, but this may be the next one.